Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. It's good to see you today. It's a Wednesday. I'm excited today because today I have a Reiki session. And I love doing Reiki and it's making me feel peaceful. I'm also implementing something new. I've been doing this for like a week and a half now, close to 2 weeks. Just seeing how it's going to work before I really report back to you guys on what it is I'm doing. But I feel like it's something that's worth it for me, and it's making me feel good. So yeah, and that's what counts. And it's really good. Or I'm seeing good results. Anyway, I'm shuffling the cards, and let's see. Because I will tell you that my body is very stubborn, so it doesn't usually take to things very well. And it's very hard to release old patterns for me. So almost the last step is I'm usually able to clear out all my energy, and then it's just the last remnants of it need to go. So it's all good, but I'm feeling chipper and happy, and that's all that counts in the moment, right? So here we go. Nothing's falling out today. I'm like, what's going on? I'm not using the microphone today because I've had some complaints that the solfeggio tones are too loud. And all I can say to that is that this is a solfeggio tone generator, right? So as the energy is coming out of this thing, it is a tone, a single tone, and however it comes out, I cannot lower it, I cannot make it higher. It's the actual tone. So all it is turning on the tone. So there's no way to make it lower or higher. I could try and place it in different places, but I'd have to place it out of the room for you to not hear it. So it's kind of, and my voice is my voice. So my voice can only be heard so much. And it could also be that you don't want to hear my voice, that you just want to hear the sound. So today, I think we'll play the gong and just be in your energy, already be like stabilized, bringing in, connected to source, connected to Mother Earth, bringing your higher self into your body, do all that wonderful stuff, and nothing's getting pulled out. So today it's just a regular poem. I'll take two. That one was coming out anyway, right? I'll take it as a signal. And this is beautiful. So for today, I am loved and supported by the universe. Yes. And then everything I need comes to me easily at the perfect time. How lovely is that? I'm holding it backwards. How lovely is that? This is what it's all about, guys. Yes. Love it. Love it. This is perfect for today. What are some of the things that I'm grateful for today? I can list them. I'm grateful for Reiki. I'm grateful for universe support. I'm grateful for feeling happy, waking up and feeling happy. I'm grateful for my family, and I'm grateful to just be alive and relaxed. In this moment, that's what I'm grateful for. We'll see what I type about in my post later on. You can be grateful for a gazillion things in the world in any given moment, right? All right, so here we go. We're gonna do the gong, and I'm just gonna push back my chair. So just center and align your energy, bring in source, connect to Mother Earth, bring in your higher self into your heart, and prep a meditation that you're into while I grab the striker, because I seem to have forgot to bring that with me. One second. And I'm moving the chair. And there's the gong. I'm just going to position it close to the laptop. And here we go. We slowly come back to our bodies. Wiggling our fingers and our toes, stretching out the body and the points where it aches. Taking some deep breaths and then slowly opening your eyes. And I forgot to say, for those of you who are driving and operating heavy machinery, you need to listen to the sound later. Please do listen to it later. However, don't listen to it while you're driving or operating heavy machinery because it does put you in a meditative state. So please take heed of that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will say before we end, all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places. In time and dimension, and we are disconnected. Thank you for being here today. And thank you for providing your energy to help pull these two wonderful cards that we're able to pull today through our combined energy. Love it. Thanks. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.